What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick breakdown of the RANE 72 Serato DJ mixer and show you guys exactly how you can adjust your crossfader and line fader settings. In this video, we're going to go over the actual menu settings so that way you can change the cut-in distance. We're also going to show you how to adjust the contours and the reversing of all of the different faders. And we're also going to take off this faceplate so that way you guys can see exactly how to adjust the tension on these brand new RANE Mag 3 faders. So let's put this bad boy on the bench and check out exactly what we got and how to make these adjustments. Alright, so for the crossfader and line fader adjustments, the first things that you can do to adjust the crossfader and line faders is to adjust the cut-in distance. And in order to do that, we have to hit Shift and the menu button. Then we go to Cut and Adjust. Once you're here, you can select which fader you want to adjust the cut-in of. We'll do the crossfader, so we select that. Then you can set the left first. You have 0, and once you have it at 0, that means it's not going to work at all. So basically you need to put this at number 1. So we'll put it there, click Set Left. Then we can also set the right. Right now it's at 0, we'll put it at 1. And then we'll say Set Right once we have it where we want it. Very, very quick and short cut-in distance if that's how you want it to be. It's perfect for your DJ performances, especially when you're doing really tight, crazy scratches. The Mag 3 faders hold up perfectly. Again, it's the same 3 faders all around, and you're going to see that when we actually open this bad boy up. But very easy to set in the cut-in for your faders here by just using the menu on screen. The next adjustment that we can make is for the tension on the faders and the crossfader, and in order to do that we have to remove the faceplate. So first up, we're going to remove all of the knobs, and then we got to remove these 4 screws here using a Phillips head screwdriver. Actually it's 6 here, so we'll remove all 6. Then we can simply remove the bottom faceplate. Once we have that off, you can see that we have here all 3 of the faders. And in order to adjust the tension, you simply use a flathead screw, and you can come in here and you can loosen this up and make it as loose or as stiff and tight as you want it. Once you have them right to the stiffness that you want them, you can reattach your faceplate and then screw back in all of the screws. And the final adjustments that we can do for the RANE 72 as it relates to the faders is, of course, the contour controls on the front of the mixer. There's a knob here, so that way you can have a slow fade or you can have a really fast fade depending on how you want to position the actual knobs. And below that you have a crossfader and line fader reverse switch for each one of the faders, including the line faders and crossfader. So that about wraps it up for all of the crossfader and line fader different adjustments that you can make to these in order to make them perfect for your style of play. They're perfect for juggling, for all of your scratch tricks, for all of the turntablists out there. They're really going to love the Mag 3 faders that are on the 72. They work perfectly, they operate flawlessly, and you can get them dialed in to be exactly how you want them to be for your own performance. So for more other videos and the review video, you guys can head on over to www.djbooth.net. You can go in there and type in RANE 72, and that way you'll bring up the review video, you'll bring up the other videos on how to use all the effects, and also all of the menus that are hidden within this mixer. You can see that video as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like to watch these videos, and as always, thanks for watching.